Hi, my name is Tim Sable. If you've had that problem with your Nissan Maxima where it's making that rattling noise, 2016 Nissan Maxima rattling noise, I'm going to show you where it's coming from. This black panel here vibrates when you're going over 60 miles an hour. And what happens is the glue is coming undone. There's clips and there's glue. So when you take it to the auto body shop, have them not take apart your entire car, but just have them take this and glue it. So it's a little small black piece that needs to be clipped or glued by an auto body shop. Nissan dealerships did not find it. They don't know about it yet. So now you know, and you're in the know. All right, I'm Tim Sable, over and out.